Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the right leg of the robot and connect it up to the motherboard. Alright, so let's start. We're going to go down from the bottom, which is servo number 0. And servo number 0 connects up to 1, 2, 3, 4. This, where it says 9. Then we will move up the leg to the next servo, and that one goes in number 8, and it is number 1. So the first one was 0, this is 1. Then we'll move up to 2, which is this servo, and it goes into 7. Yep, it goes into 7. Then we will move to 3. That goes on top of that into 6. And then we will do the last one, which is number 4. And it goes into 5 here. Alright, so that is all for the right leg. I will see you in the next video.